TurboTax ads are everywhere in Toronto right now, and I want to see what the hype is all about. I'll be sharing my honest and live review on my YouTube using their most expensive service. And I had to know, was it really same-day service? Trust me, these taxes were daunting, but this checklist was great. I even told my friend, like, why did we choose this life? But the checklist was very reassuring. Taking baby steps, I organized my expenses and my income, which took a few days, but once you have it done, you send everything off to your TurboTax expert. Then I legit got a call within 5 minutes, got connected, had a brief meeting. They did their thing for like an hour. Here's me drawing. And I did not expect this.
Oh, no.
Life hack that I didn't get to do, please do this if you have an aeroplan credit card. You can earn 10 points per dollar. Budget bestie, get your travel points, go through the Air Canada app. I can't find a coupon code. I tried looking on TikTok, but we're gonna pay full price. Again, I legit hate everything numbers. Taxes are so daunting to me, but the TurboTax platform was very simple and easy to use. And within 5 minutes, I actually was connected to someone who screened me first. For 2024, I was a mix of self-employed and also I had a part-time or like full-time job for, you know, period. It was both full-time and then it changed to part-time. Yeah, because I'm pretty nervous, like, I'm at the add your documents part. Sorry, do I see what? Within probably another 5 minutes, I was connected to my actual tax expert. Good, how are you? If you're aware, like sometimes we get gifted maybe like tickets for experiences because I put the value of it. Is that okay that I did that? Oh wow, yeah, absolutely, yeah, I'll be here. I think not. It sounds like I'm in good hands. Wow, that was literally, how many minutes has this been? In 20 minutes. Let's see, she said she's gonna come back to me in 1 hour. Again, this is my personal experience, but after around 45 minutes, she was able to go through the summary, each line, and explain things to me, educate me, and also answer any questions, and she was very patient. This part is really little, but I just really like how they update you through email to officially say, okay, your tax return is ready, and then we debrief again. But once the call was done, they still open and leave the chat for you if you have any questions. Here was mine. I'm anxious, okay? Yes, just keeping it real, you know, I'm not afraid to admit that I had a loss. Now, better seeing my expenses, you know, the whole budgeting. We know better now. Just make sure you read their replies in a timely manner, like literally the same day, because if they need to close your file, you won't be able to access your message conversations anymore, and that's what I experienced. Overall, was it same-day service? Yes, it was, although keep in mind, I did pay for the most expensive package because I did want someone to do it all for me. I didn't want to think. So who knows? I don't know if it's like you pay the most and you get actual same-day service. And with all honesty, I paid my own money again, and it was just so seamless. So thank you.